stuff is so inspiring.
What happens when you hand strangers a microphone in Times Square and let them say anything? Here's the premise, guys. Today, from 12 to 1, the public is invited to speak. You have 1 minute to exercise your right to freedom of speech on the performance platform. Let your voice be heard. Step forward. Speak uncensored. Not sure what to expect here, guys. They do have security here because anything can happen. I'm very interested to see what's going to happen here today.
I just want to say my family and I got to the city yesterday, and we've been very moved by how kind everyone has been to us, and it's reminding me, like, when it feels overwhelming and we don't know what to do and everybody's just yelling at each other online, I'm just reminded to be kind to your servers, to anybody on the street. Like, the little stuff is so inspiring because the big stuff is overwhelming. So I just wanted to say that the little stuff adds up. And that's all I got. Thanks.
I just love everybody because they're alive and so are you. And be kind, like she said, and give more compliments.
This is We Shall Overcome, the Joan Baez 1965 version. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome one day, leading my heart, I do believe we shall overcome.